Okay, let's free draw a background and a shirt. Easiest part will definitely be the background. Let's go to our rectangle tool, and you want to go from edge to edge of your artboard. There we go. If you have it with a stroke color, just flip it, and you can pick a nice background color, whatever color you would like. Make sure again, edge to edge, and then do an object, arrange, send to back, the very last option, and click off. Next, with your pencil tool, we can begin to draw our shirt for our person. So I'm going to just change this to kind of a hot pink. And again, back to the pencil tool. And you may even want to zoom in here. This does not need to be fancy. If you want to get fancy, please feel free. Now remember, when using the pencil tool, you need to begin and end the path. So I'm just kind of going to draw and making sure to overlap. And I can use the white arrow tool to adjust any of the points that I might need. Zoom in. Oops. There we go. Again, just grab those little points and anchors. And zoom out. So I've got the collar of my shirt. Next, I'm going to use the pencil tool again. And maybe this time I'll give her a purple. And I'm just going to draw in the shoulders and the rest of the shirt. Didn't really like that. That went a little bit awry. And you can go a little bit off the page if you need to. And I'm just going to go inside of my collar here to end it. There we go. Flip it closed. And I'm going to select the collar and bring it to the front. And I'm all done.